It was a race for colonization amongst those big superpowers of the time. America, fresh off their emancipation, France and England trying to extend their power across the world, New Zealand essentially became the next target. He Whakaputanga was essentially our coming out to the world saying, we are here, we are sovereign, that sovereignty exists with us as Māori, as the Indigenous people. That's important because from an international law perspective, an international treaty can only be signed by two acknowledged or recognized nations.
I think Te Tiriti o Waitangi can never be read as something that doesn't align with He Whakaputanga. I think that they should always be thought of as a combo. He Whakaputanga is the platform in which Te Tiriti was built.
If I was to put it simply, Te Tiriti o Waitangi, in my opinion, reaffirmed the mana and the rangatiratanga that was expressed and acknowledged in He Whakaputanga. The treaty tried to shift that and take that away from us and put it in the hands of the Crown. So I think the foundation or the concepts that underpin both those texts are very different.
What is consistent though is the Māori text of Te Tiriti o Waitangi. We know that Article 2 affirms and guarantees that the tino rangatiratanga that was affirmed and confirmed in He Whakaputanga would continue to endure.
Front of mind for me at the moment is the myth that there was a cession of sovereignty when our tipuna signed Te Tiriti.
When you understand the background and the context to Te Tiriti o Waitangi, it's unbelievable that our tipuna, within 5 years from having their rangatiratanga affirmed, would then go about ceding or relinquishing that mana. And so I think when you look at He Whakaputanga and Te Tiriti o Waitangi, both of them together are a written record of a Crown promise and guarantee that tino rangatiratanga would continue. So they don't create tino rangatiratanga. Tino rangatiratanga is not born from these documents, but it is a written record of a promise that the Crown would respect the tino rangatiratanga of Māori.
Te Tiriti o Waitangi and He Whakaputanga are important for many people in Maireanga to know about because they give us a sense of pride in being who we are, where we're from here in Aotearoa, and our responsibility to each other to do good by those kawinata.